In this video, I'll tell you how to remove duplicates in SQL in under 20 lines of code. Let's get to it. Hey guys, if you're new here, my name is Yui and I've been working in the data space for over 10 years now. And today in this video, we'll go over one of the most common problems that we encounter when working with data sets. And so when dealing with duplicate data in SQL, we do this in 3 steps. So the first one is how to identify when we have duplicates in SQL. And we do this by the keyword distinct or group by. So the most important thing is to identify if we have duplicates in the data. We'll use the group by, and then we have the having count of employee ID greater than 1. This filters records which have at least one employee ID. Now that we have identified which records are potentially duplicates in our data set, it's time for us to remove these duplicates. And what I would recommend is to create a new table that filters out the duplicates. To do this, we can use window functions such as row number to identify duplicates in each table, and then we filter them out later on in subqueries or CTEs. If you're also in BigQuery, you can use the keyword qualify to filter out these records to achieve the same result. So the first step for us is to create an artificial identifier using the window function row number. So what's important here, we use the row number as our window function, and then we have this windowing clause here. First, we partition by employee ID because this is our identifier. This identifies duplicates within the data set. So we sort the records by the update timestamp, and then we choose the one with the latest timestamp. And so what's left for us is to filter these out, and then eventually disregard the RN as a temporary column. So what I like best with BigQuery is that you can just use an except clause to remove the things that you added beforehand. But in other SQL dialect, you can specify the exact column names. When working with production level data, we want to have tools that prevent this from happening in the first place. So we can use tools like DBT that allows us to set rules and prevents these from happening in the first place, or raises an error when we try to create tables that have duplicate data in them. This is particularly helpful for systems that refresh every hour or every day, and so we don't have to be doing things manually. DBT will flag us every time we have duplicates in the data, allowing us to work on other things or other projects. Thank you guys, and I'll see you in the next video.